Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the touchpad works with two-finger gestures. Open your OS touchpad settings and enable scrolling and pinch to zoom if available. Next, launch Visual Studio Code and make sure it's updated. Older builds may behave differently. Once done, open VS Code settings and search for Editor. Zoom level to understand the persistent zoom state. You can set a default now. This gets you ready to perform live zoom with the touchpad and prevents surprises when you change magnification. Now you'll zoom the editor using the touchpad. Position two fingers on the pad and pinch outward to zoom in, pinch inward to zoom out. For precise editor zoom, hold Control. On Mac OS, hold CMD while pinching because that restricts zoom to the editor and avoids scaling the whole window. Make sure the setting editor, mouse wheel zoom, is enabled if you prefer using Control plus the touchpad scroll gesture. Once you've adjusted, test with code to ensure font sizes and layout scale as expected. To finish, normalize your workspace. If sizes are inconsistent, set editor. Zoom level back in settings or use the view menu to reset zoom quickly. If pinch gestures don't work, check for conflicting OS gestures or extensions that intercept pinch or touchpad input and disable them temporarily. Also, make sure VS Code's accessibility and editor settings are not overriding zoom behavior. If nothing helps, restart VS Code after changes. That often clears a gesture lock that prevents touchpad zoom from functioning properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.